My name is Eric Cobb, and my company is Rolling Green Landscape Solutions. We are based here in Orlando, Florida, and we offer full service landscape offerings to high-end residential and commercial clientele. We operate in a pretty competitive environment. The landscape industry is a crowded place. So we really have to try to differentiate ourselves from our competitors. And the number one way we do that is through our people. We really focus on hiring the best, retaining the best talent. We focus on training, education. We're proud to say we have a number of licensed and certified staff members. We really try to be more technologically advanced than most in our industry. It can be a pretty archaic industry. It's all about hard work and whatnot, but we really try to use any software offerings out there to make our teams more efficient, to allow us to communicate better with our clients, and overall just do a better job. I sought out the SBDC in 2019. I started my business in 2011, and I had spent my whole life in the industry. So I've always known our trade. I know my craft. I know how to service my customers. But what we didn't really have any experience in, and what I really never had any experience in, was the business side of things. How do we set up a business plan? How do we have a marketing strategy? How do we actually understand and grow our financials? These are the things that I see a lot of businesses flounder in after working 20, 30, 40 years at their trade or at their craft. And I knew I didn't want to go down that path. So that's why I sought out the SBDC. When I first met with the SBDC, they recommended one of their services to me, which is the Advisory Board Council. They had helped me arrange a board of 5 people that all had varying experience levels and skill levels, none of them in my industry, but in all sorts of other industries. And we set up a board that would really fill the voids based on my personal experience. So I shared with Jill and the team at the SBDC what I was competent in, or what I was confident in, and what I was really lacking, or what I was really needing help in. And that's how we built my board. We built my board focused on the areas that I could improve upon, and we went from there, and it's been great. My advisory board council was pretty awesome. We had a wide array of professionals. We had someone who specialized in accounting and finance. We had someone who specialized in HR and the soft skills, people management, which is definitely an area I needed help with. We had someone who had specialized in the service industry before, which is ultimately how I would describe what we do as the service industry. We had someone who specialized in advertising and marketing and branding, which was really insightful. And then we've had someone in the banking industry, which added to that the strength of the financial aspect of the team. So it was really cool to see how professional organizations ran. It was really cool to see the different levers that could be pulled in the business world, and how you could make yourself more successful and grow as an individual and as a business. And the board members, with their complementary skills, and most of them focusing on my areas of weakness, were really allowed me to do that and excel over my time with the SBDC. The impact of working with the SBDC and the Advisory Council have really been impactful. It's been huge. Over the time that we've been there, we've probably more than doubled our staff. I think we've added 31 jobs in the community since working with the Advisory Council and the SBDC. Our revenue is up 139% over the 3 years with the SBDC. We have expanded our facility. We've purchased more real estate to expand our facility and prepare for future growth. We've increased our line of credit with our local bank by 3 times. So it's really helped position us for the future and future growth, and I'm super excited about that. If I had to use one word to describe working with the SBDC, I would say it was eye-opening. There's a whole nother side of business that I either didn't understand or didn't pay attention to, and we really suffered, and we were really held back because of that. So the SBDC helped open my eyes to how things are done in larger corporations. And, some of it is Fortune 500 companies. Some of it is just larger, small, medium-sized, local, family-owned businesses. But they really opened my eyes to understand my financials, to set goals, to set plans, how to compensate people, how to price things. And I mean, the results are staggering. Like I've mentioned before, our profits up, our revenue's up, our employee count is up. So a lot of things that I didn't know could be done or how to do, my eyes were open to. And I want to thank everyone on my board who helped me realize that.